Hi, my name is Marcia Neufville. My drive to become a nurse stems from the fact that I am a first generation immigrant from the West African country of Liberia. Being from Liberia, I have first-hand experience of the difficulties my country has because of the fact there is a lack of healthcare. That is why I choose to go after the nursing degree and able to help my people.
What behaviors do you believe nursing students should exhibit while attending Lincoln University's nursing program?
Well, firstly, I believe that students should be driven because if you really truly want to pursue something, you need to have the passion. So being a driven student, you can take your passion and you can study as hard as possible and you can do everything you need to do in order to get that degree that you want. And also, a student should always stay humble because being humble leads you to many different places in life, and also you can make use of all the resources available to you versus just believing that you can do everything yourself. So staying humble and staying driven are one of the main characteristics that a student should have.
What skills do you possess, and why are these skills important as a professional registered nurse?
Well, I've been told that I'm a compassionate person, which is a very important skill as a nurse because you're treating many different people. And not only are you treating people, but you're treating people's families. So you need to be compassionate, you need to be understanding of people from many different walks of life. Another key thing that you need to have as a nurse is you need to be able to critically think because in a nursing field, in a healthcare field, you need to be able to make drastic decisions, and you always have to be on your feet in order to ensure the care of your patients.
What is leadership, and how can you exhibit leadership at Lincoln University's campus?
I believe that leadership is taking the opinions of all your peers around you and making sure that you do everything possible in order to ensure that everyone is happy and that everything runs smoothly. Being a leader, you're in control and people look up to you in order to get things done. So you always have to make sure that you're well educated in whatever leadership position that you are in. And you also have to make sure you listen to people around you because you're not a leader on your own, you're a leader of people.
What behaviors will you change if you are accepted into the nursing program?
I tend to procrastinate sometimes. So that's something I really believe that I need to change as a student. Not only does it impact your learning ability, it also hinders your ability to truly understand your material. So I believe that being as procrastinated as I am, I need to stop that and then make sure I get ahead of all my things.
What should nursing students have? Why should nursing students have excellent communication skills, and why are these skills important in healthcare?
Well, in the healthcare field, nurses need to be able to communicate well because of the fact that you're not working alone. You're working with your peers and you need to communicate patient databases and things that are going on with your peers. And also, you need to be able to communicate with your patients' families. And you just always have to be aware that you're a nurse and you're working with so many different other people around you. So your communication skills always have to be on top, and you always gotta make sure you're ready to communicate with whoever comes through that door.
What is professionalism, and why is it important in nursing school?
Well, professionalism is important because of the fact that as a student, not only just nursing, but as a student in general, you're representing a student body, you're representing your school, and you're representing so many different people, your families, and everything else. So you need to make sure that you're professional. You need to make sure that you're on top, and you have to make sure that being a professional person, it gives people respect for you. So in order for you to have that respect and for people to really be ready and to understand that yes, you are capable of taking care of them, you need to be professional. You need to show them that you are who you claim to be.
Name some unprofessional behaviors nursing students should avoid in Lincoln University's nursing program.
One of the things that nursing students should avoid is any negative interaction with cops. This nursing students need to avoid this because of the fact that you are a body of a whole program. So you need to make sure that you're not getting in trouble, you're not doing anything that would disgrace the program, would disgrace your professors as well as the school.